Are you replacing the heating and cooling system in your home? Have you ever replaced one? Depending on your age and how long you've owned a home, this could be your first time. At ME-Flow, we want our customers to feel good about their decision and confident the process will be smooth and the system will perform as expected. In a nutshell, this is what you can expect when you work with ME-Flow. First and foremost, our team of experienced comfort advisors will design you a great system. They'll answer all your questions, and they'll get the system in your budget. And because we make sure your system is properly sized and installed by our factory-trained and NATE-certified install teams, you can expect greater product efficiency, increased home comfort, and added peace of mind. ME-Flow also uses reliable brands, which translates to fewer problems down the road. Lastly, we'll follow up once the system is installed to get you on track for the required maintenance. Let's face it, this is a big investment, and the last thing you want is for something to go terribly wrong. We do hope you'll consider choosing ME-Flow to replace your home comfort system.